Hey champs! The post approval feature is a useful tool for the owner/admin of the account who wants to monitor the content created by the author team members before publishing them. Follow the steps in this short video to learn about Social Champ's post approvals feature. Let's begin. After logging into your Social Champ account, you will land on the content dashboard. Navigate your cursor to the left panel and select Post Approval. Here you can see all the posts submitted for approvals, when they were submitted, and by whom. You can approve or decline all posts by clicking the buttons at the top left, or approve or decline individual posts by clicking the buttons at the bottom of each post. Posts can also be filtered. Simply click the Filter By button at the top right. You can filter by selecting team members and social accounts. Click the Team Member drop-down to see all the team members added to your Social Champ account. Tick the checkbox next to the team member's name to select them. Then click the Social Accounts drop-down to see all the social accounts connected with your Social Champ account. Tick the checkbox next to the social accounts to select them. Click the search button to apply the filter. And if you want to remove the filters, click the Clear All button. You can even see your previously approved and declined posts by visiting their respective tabs at the top. Please note, if a post submitted for post approval does not get approved or declined, it will not get posted and stay in the post approval tab till an action is taken. Great work! Now you know how to use Social Champ's new post approvals feature. Happy posting, champs!